Good morning. Today we are going to see Union in C. Myself, Dr. S. Nitya Kalani, Professor in Sri Shanmugha College of Engineering in Sangagiri, Salem. So what is Union? Union is a user-defined data type similar to structure. Structure allows enough space to store all the members, whereas in Union, all the member values cannot be stored at a time and all the values are shared. In Union, the memories are shared, whereas in structure, they have individual memory space for each data members. All the data types like integer, float, double, whatever we are going to declare is called as a data members of the union or members of the structure. In structure, we use the keyword called struct for initialization, similar to here this. Here we are going to use union name, and it cannot handle all the members at the same times by the union. The union is declared using the keyword union. Example, see single slot vending machine, the push or outlet will hold only one value at a time. For example, Lays or juice, only one value will be hold at a time. So this output dispense size or they have designed in such a way that the maximum size of the item that can be stored in our vending machine. Next example, the payment option in Amazon or the Flipkart, any online options or any grocery shops, we can pay directly by the cash or we can pay using UPI or scan option or QR, scanning the QR code. See, the structure members are character and float. Here the character will have a 1 byte and the float will have a 4 byte. So both the members, character and float, will have a separate memory in a structure variable. Here E is a structure variable. So the variable size of the structure is 5 bytes. In union, the character value is 1 and the float value is 4. So the maximum data member will be allotted for the union. Here the maximum value is 4 byte, which is given by the float variable y. See, here the sample example. First you are going to declare union name, then the members of this union, character, float and integer. The character is going to get the name of the user and the salary and the worker name. Integer is a worker number. Then your job is a variable name, union variable name. Then similar for that structure name, character name, the name, float, integer and yes job. Let us see the size of each and every individual union and structure. So here the size of the union is 32-bit and structure size is 42. For getting the size of this, we are going to use the size of operator and you are going to pass the variable that is a union variable name. What is the union variable name? U job. So the size of the union name is size of the union is 32 and the size of the structure is 42. Here each and every individual members are allocated separately, whereas in a union we have 32. Why? Because the name is a 32 byte, salary maybe 4 bytes, and integer worker number have a 4 bytes. So worker number is 4 bytes, salary is 4 bytes, name is 32. So the outcome is the size is the maximum size of a data member, that is name. It considers a name data member is having the largest type, largest size. So we are going to take the union sizes to be 32 and it can be shared by salary as well as worker number. But in union only one member can be active at a time. So advantages of using union is memory efficiency since it shares the memory, whereas the disadvantages misinterpretation because only the member that are currently active may result, otherwise it will give the default answer or garbage value. See here now. Example, union job, float salary into worker number, and we are going to assign a value, member value variable as a j, then void main. This is where our program starts. Date.gallery is equal to 12.13 and j dot worker number equal to 100. We need to use a variable name, union variable name dot for accessing the members in the accessing the members of the union similar to your data structure. So print of salary, data and salary is equal to data salary. What is the data salary? 0.0. And next we are going to trying to print j dot worker. The value is 100 because the currently active member is date dot worker number instead of date dot salary. We have assigned 12.3 to the salary, but later we are assigning 100 to the worker number. So worker number is currently now available active. So the output of the worker number is given, whereas for the salary it is 0. So in order to get the output of both the value, we need to immediately, whenever we are trying to access the variable, we need to immediately print, then we can able to see the answer. For example, data salary equal to 12.3. So once assigned, we are trying to get the output. So the output screen, the value is 12.3. Then we are trying to assign 100 to the worker number. Then the value is printed. So the difference between the union and structure, the structure for a union we use the keyword unions, the structure we use the struct. Memory location is star. In structure we use a different memory location. Only the current member will be active and only the one member will be active at a time. Here all the member will be active at a time. Next we are going to find the output of this using the initialization. So 1000 comma j equal to 1000 comma 30. Here 1000 is first initialized, so this member will be active. In the union there is a rule, the only we have to initialize the first element will be stored. For example, j equal to 1000, so j dot salary will be 1000, j dot worker equal to 30, and we are trying to print a worker number. J dot worker number, it gives a garbage value, whereas we are trying to print the salary, then the value we are getting is 1000. In union the initialization is possible only for the first element, whereas in structure each and every element can be initialized and it can be accessed separately. Thank you.